The TOMLOV DM9 Pro digital microscope delivers a sharp and colorful image on its large 7-inch screen, which makes long inspection sessions comfortable on the eyes. Its wide magnification range from low to very high power lets you move from a full coin view to tiny surface details without constantly repositioning your subject. A tall and sturdy metal stand keeps the microscope stable while giving enough vertical clearance to see entire coins and larger objects in one frame. Multiple adjustable light sources around the lens and on flexible arms do a great job of pulling out detail on reflective metals, circuit boards, and textured materials. The ability to output a clear, high-definition signal over HDMI or USB makes it easy to share the live view on a computer monitor or television for teaching or group work. Simple controls for capturing photos, recording video, and changing settings mean you can document your findings quickly without jostling the focus or shaking the image.